Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to make this video to update you guys on what was going on with the FRS. Alright guys, so apparently the FRS is not finished. The wrap started peeling in a lot of different places and it was getting on my nerves, so I tore the wrap from the entire car. The whole entire car. So now it's back to this orange that it was, which still looks pretty nice. So what I decided to do was finish it up from where I left off last time before I put the wrap in. So last time before I put the wrap in, I had that fender, both fenders actually were messed up. They were completely messed up. So the passenger side fender right here, I bought a new one and it's blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and paint that. I have bought the original front bumper and I just went ahead and wrapped it green, so when I took the wrap off, it's still black. Obviously I never had it painted. So I gotta paint the whole front end of the car. So bumper, both fenders, and the hood are also, the hood is fiberglass. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint everything else except the hood and see how it looks, and if I don't like it, I'll paint the hood. But yeah, so I gotta paint that fender, and then ignore that, that's just powder and shit. But down here it was kind of dented in there, so I'll put some Bondo and stuff right there. I gotta finish tidying that up and then basically paint that whole skirt up there. So I went to my local Napa store and got some paint mixed up, and that's what I'm gonna be doing in these next few videos. Is hopefully, they said it's a good match, so hopefully it matches up. But for now I just tore everything up. Let me show you guys where I put it. Alright, so this is the original fender right here, and as you see I tried to do some Bondo work to it right there, but it's messed up. It's just messed up. I gave up. I'm just gonna rebuy that fender. And then this was the other blue one that I bought. This one is in perfect condition. I just gotta obviously sand it down and then repaint it orange. And this one, yeah, I gotta rebuy that. So I actually made a clip when I was painting the car and I put it on my Snapchat, but I saved it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and add the clip right now. So I was out here painting the FRS and then I dropped the fucking paint. Alright guys, so that was late at night when I was painting my car. I just took that quick little video to show you guys that I did paint it myself, and I was proud of how it came out. I finally finished painting the FRS. The bumper's up there. I painted the hood yesterday and the two fenders. And ignore all the white stuff on there. I'm just waxing and buffing it right now, so I'm waiting for it to dry a little bit. But I'm about to mount everything up and show you guys what it looks like. Well, it looks really, really good. The only thing is, like with the paint, when I was clear coating it, there's just like a little bit of orange peel, but it's not that noticeable, so fuck it. I'm not a professional, but I tried. So now I just gotta finish waxing what I'm doing right now and then polish it, and then I'm gonna just install the front bumper and show you guys what it looks like. My BRZ in the background looking good too. I gotta get both of these cars in show car mode. car actually looks really nice. Super clean. I feel like it looks way better than the green wrap I had on there. But the car is up for sale now because I don't need two of the same cars. So this one's, I'm gonna get rid of it. This one, wide body show car, supercharger or turbocharger. Still debating on that. But this one has to go. Let's get it. Right, Bear? Bear. Right? That one has to go? Yep. So now, I guess you can say the car is done. I'll probably just have to take it to the car wash and get it cleaned. But other than that, the car looks pretty clean. So yeah, that's done finally. And the BRZ, let me show you guys what's going on with that. So the BRZ, I decided to return the intake tail lights that I bought, the Ferrari 458 lights. I put them on the car and I honestly did not like them at all. I wasn't impressed. They felt kind of cheap. So I just said, you know what, fuck it. I took them off. They don't have tail lights right now. So I returned them to FT86 Speed Factory. They gave me my refund, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some Valentis. Probably the black and gold edition. That's pretty much it for these two. It's like 100 and something degrees out here, man. It's burning hot. Alright guys, so I've decided to get rid of this FRS. Yeah, I painted it, I went through all the trouble rebuilding it and everything, but I just don't see a point in dealing with this car anymore. So I'm actually about to go meet up with someone right now and he's gonna buy it off of me. He already saw the car and everything, he liked it, he made me an offer and I accepted. So I'm just cleaning it out right now real quick and then I'm gonna go ahead and meet up and sell that. And I'm just gonna start working on the BRZ. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this and hopefully he doesn't change his mind.